Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how you start working with the sound effects. So after you finish your dialogue, we're going to move on to sound effects. It's the same as Project 1, where you grab your playhead and see if... Ooh, I don't want that. So here, a tip. I want to mute these dialogues because they are kind of distracting. So there. All right, now I want to identify any sounds happening, sound effects. So jump is fine, but oh, boom boom is landing on the floor. So here I need a sound for boom boom on the floor. Boom boom land on floor. Okay, and it does it 3 times. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'll keep it for now. And then what we have here, oh, Mario is throwing a ice ball, so ice ball. Okay, so I need a ice ball sound. And then he's throwing 2 ice balls, so I actually need 2 ice balls. So another ice ball sound. Okay. All right, let's see. Oh, Boom Boom got frozen, so let's freeze him. All right, create markers and frozen. Frozen, and then the ice breaks as Mario shoots out another ice ball. So let me do ice break. I think it's the same time, right? So let's do ice break. There. Okay, marker. Ice break and wait, and ice ball. All right. Oh, there's another ice ball. So let's create another one. Ice ball. Okay. All right. How many sounds do we need? Let's move it. Oh, Mario gets hit. Mario gets hit. So we need a sound definitely over here. Mario gets hit. Mario gets hit. What else do we need? Okay, and then boom, boom. Oh, hit the wall. Okay. Boom, boom, hit the wall. Hit wall. All right, and then let's see what else we have. Oh, wait, there's another sound too, which is Mario jump. So hit wall and Mario jump. There. Just be very, very detailed when you're doing this because it's easy to miss a sound or two. Boom Boom jump is fine. Boom Boom is not landing that hard, okay? And then another Mario jump over here, so I need that. Mario jump. Jump. Okay. And then, oh, another hit the wall, so I need another hit the wall. Hit wall. Good. Oh, this is a big one. So stomp on boss. Great one. Stomp on boss. Good. And then that's it, right? Oh, right. Boom Boom falls on the floor. Here. Boom falls on floor. Okay. That should do it. Great. All right. So now you have all the markers for the sound effects you need. Nothing too crazy. It's the same as Project 1, except you're just adding more markers for the sounds you need.